when you do the handles for the premium kit, what you want to do first is get your harness. After you disassembled the back seat and got to the RF hub and put in our new RF hub, what you're going to do is connect this side to the bottom side of the RF hub, which is the only single one, and it's the only one that fits for this one. We're going to be showing you how to check the handles before you get everything off and before you have it installed, because a lot of customers will install everything and sometimes they won't work, or they'll have a little complication, and before we do that, we want to make sure everything's working. So that's what we're going to show you. So this is the harness. We're going to be focusing on the passenger side. It's the same for the driver's side, and this one's with only front handles. So you're going to get a harness similar to this one or like this one. Now there's going to be a red and black wire here with these terminals, you can see. Now these are for the antennas. We're going to be connecting the antennas. The red wire is going to go to the first terminal, first pin, and the black wire is going to go for the second pin. And of course, when you install it, then you want to add the connector. Right now we're just going to show you with this. This is the antenna, and this is the handle. You would be getting something like this, of course, in your paint code. So first we're going to install the antenna. Actually first, you want to keep the keys in your pocket or in your hoodie, like how you would. And another thing to mention is that this part beneath it is where the handle goes, and this is where you're going to go underneath the window and connect it to the handle, of course with the connector. So let's check this. So I'm going to connect this to the RF hub first. So this is where the RF hub goes, the connector. It clicks in. Next we're going to separate the passenger side. We're going to connect the antenna. So let's see if you could see it. Under here, there's a 1 and there's a 2. 1 is on this side and 2 is on that side. And like I said, red is number 1 and black is number 2. So we're just going to connect the terminals in and do them one at a time. You're going to make sure it's seated all the way. And the same for number 2. And another reminder, please do not put the connectors on now, because it will be hard to run the wires through everything with the connectors on, and you have a higher chance of ripping the wires off with the connectors on if you're running it through. You could use a paper clip or a pin if you just have it seated there, and you could push it in further if you want. We do have it all the way. So we're gonna sit this down like here. Then we're gonna install next the handles. This one is a lot easier to see the numbers. It actually says it back here, 1 and 2. Red is 1 and black is 2. And we're gonna do the same thing. Red is gonna be the white wire and black is gonna be the green wire. So we have it connected. Make sure it's seated all the way. We have the keys in our pocket, and we're gonna test it. So now, as you see, they're not coming on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out a little bit. Could even have it hanging. And same thing, it's not working. So what you wanna do is you wanna press unlock and lock on the remote. And as you see, it works. Just another note, make sure they're seated right. Make sure they're seated and they're not touching each other, because if they are, they won't work at all, period. As you see, we have it seated right and it's working. And I'm away from the antenna the same amount of space you would have to reach for your door. So that's how you check it, and you repeat the same thing for the driver's side. Just make sure you do this step If there's any problems with the harness, we'll be free to help you. Customer service, you are a customer and we will help you to figure out what's going on. But these harnesses are checked and they shouldn't give you so much problem, but just please check this before you get everything removed or you put everything back. Make sure everything is working all the way through. And thank you for choosing Autotech Electronics.